Is there any chaining of pipe is available? So answer is yes. Chaining of pipe is available. Okay. What is meant by chaining of pipe? You can apply pipe on that pipe. Means one pipe if you are using, for example, long date. If you want to apply one more pipe on that data, you also can apply one more pipe. But here, my date is first apply that date pipe that is a long date. Whatever the output of this pipe, then next pipe will be display or next pipe will be applied on that output data. Which previous pipe output data is applied on your next pipe. But it not be happen if you want to apply my date on uppercase directly on the my date, it will not be happen, or you cannot be used in that way also. Okay, it not be work basically. So when it uppercase work, the previous pipe output, whatever the previous pipe output is there, then you can it is apply on that uppercase. If you want to use one more pipe here on the slice, I want to do the slicing purpose, you can use it. You can apply one or more pipe. Okay, means there is no any limit. You can apply chaining of pipe whatever you want, but only requirement or only condition is that whatever the previous pipe output, the next pipe will apply on that previous pipe output. Okay, see here, that is September. Okay, September is in uppercase. Whatever the data is displayed 232022. Okay, that data is a display. Okay, if you want to use time, month or second, sorry, time, minute and second, you can use it in that way also. So for that we use HH. HH stands for hour, minute and second. So it display only hour, minute and second format. If you want to display 12 hours format means 12 hour format means you have to display AM and PM. That also will be used. For that you have to use HM colon MM. If you want to mention here second, you can mention the second as well. Okay, there is no any condition that if mention that or not. You can, if you want to mention that you have to display the second as well, you can mention that. And mention here A. That is A is a stand for AM. If your current time is in AM, it will display AM. If your current time is PM, it will display PM format. Right now it is display AM, so it will be displayed AM format. See here, 10.41 AM. Okay,